Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so in this video I will cover the procedure for filing a complaint against the sexual harassment, how the complaint is filed against the sexual harassment, that we will see in this video. Okay, before starting this video I will tell you that I have covered one more topic relating to the sexual harassment, the formation of the internal complaints committee, how the internal complaints committee is set up. So if you have not watched that video, you can go and watch that video also. Okay, so now we'll see that the procedure for filing a complaint against the sexual harassment. Okay, so here the section 9 is saying us is talking about the procedure for filing a complaint against the sexual harassment. Section 9 of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act of 2013. So as per section 9 of that act, the complaint against the sexual harassment can be made either to the internal complaints committee or to the local complaints committee. Okay, so here section 9 is saying that the aggrieved person, either the aggrieved person can go to the internal complaints committee if the internal complaint committee has not been set up by the employer in the establishment. Then the aggrieved person can go to the local complaints committee, and the aggrieved person can make a complaint to the local complaints committee, and then the local complaints committee will deal with that deal with that complaint. Okay, so now the section 9 is saying that the complaint can be made either to the internal complaints committee or to the local complaints committee. If the internal complaints committee has not been set up, then the complaint can go to the local complaints committee. Okay, so now here the limitation is given for making complaint against sexual harassment. Okay, so the limitation is of 3 months. As you can see that here the limitation is of 3 months. The complaint should be made within 3 months from the date of its incident, and that complaint must be in writing. Okay, so here it is said that the complaint must be in writing. In case the complaint has not been made in writing by the aggrieved person, then the committee, whether it is the internal complaints committee or the local complaints committee, will provide the assistance to the complainant for making a complaint in writing. Okay, now here it is said that the limitation is given, as I told you, that for making complaint the complaint should be made within 3 months. Okay, but the committee, both the committees are having power to extend this time period. Okay, so here the internal complaint committee or the local complaints committee, as the case may be, can extend the time period for making a complaint. Okay, now if the time period has been extended by the committee, then the committee, who has extended the time, whether it is internal complaints committee or the local complaints committee, that committee has to record its reason for doing so. Okay, now further this section 9 subsection 2 is saying that who can file a complaint against the sexual harassment. Okay, so section 9 subsection 2 is telling us it is not necessary that the complaint should be made by the aggrieved person only. Okay, it is not necessary. Any person on behalf of the aggrieved person can make a complaint to the committee. Okay, so here it is said that it is not necessary that the complaint should be made by the aggrieved person only. On her behalf, her friend, her legal heir, her co-worker, her family member can go to the committee and make a complaint of that incident. Okay, so that is how the procedure is started here. Okay, so it is said that here section 9 is saying either the complainant can go to the internal complaints committee. If internal complaints committee has not been set up, then the complainant can go to the local complaints committee, and that there is a limitation for making complaint. That limitation is of 3 months, and that complaint must be in writing, and this period, the time period for making complaint against the sexual harassment, can be extended by either by the local complaints committee or the local complaints committee. Okay, if the time period has been extended by the committee, then the committee has to record its reason. Okay, so that is how the procedure is started. Okay, I hope this section 9 is clear to you all. Okay, so if this is clear to you guys, then do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.